A lot of horrible details were revealed about Amber Heard in her trial against ex-husband Johnny Depp, but no one could have foreseen the shocking facts that were unveiled when actual court cases were unsealed. Did Amber really kill her friend and not take responsibility for it? How did she meet tech guru Elon Musk? And what kind of relationship did they have? Did Amber really work small odd jobs before becoming a model? Or was it something way more scandalous? Watch this video to the end to find out. Who knew Amber Heard is the last person anyone would want to be in the same car with? Turns out the beauty mogul is not only a very bad driver, but she also may have gotten away with murdering her best friend. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? This was all kept under wraps during her long, successful modeling career and very public marriage with a Pirates of the Caribbean star. But during the defamation trial that followed the couple's breakup, a Reddit user fished out Amber's mugshot from when she was a teenager. 16-year-old Amber, who was driving with her best friend in the passenger seat, encountered a fatal car accident. Her friend died on the spot, but Amber somehow made it out alive. She was actually arrested, but the charges do not say what for exactly. We do know that her driving license was suspended as a result of the whole fiasco. But why was it suspended if the whole thing was actually an accident? For most of us, we'd be pretty upset to go out cruising after our friend died, especially if our driver's license was also under suspension. However, Amber was arrested again in 2003 for driving with a suspended license. Her sister, who had a clear driver's license, was in the car with her. In the official arrest report, the on-scene officer explains that he observed that the driver of the green Land Rover was not wearing their seatbelt, and that's why he pulled them over. That's how much disregard Amber had for the law, right from the start. Mysteriously, Amber dropped out of school soon after that incident and moved to New York. According to the diva, it was to pursue her career in modeling, but the people have their own speculations. They regard her move to New York and then to LA as an escape from the social pressure she was facing at home for ending her friend's life. Did Amber really move away from Texas to Hollywood because of her passion for acting? Or was she trying to forget something much more sinister, like the friend she killed in the car accident? A darker and more questionable side to Amber's personality was brought to the public's attention during the defamation trial when Dr. Shannon Curry, a psychologist on Depp's team, analyzed Heard's psyche. She diagnosed the movie star with borderline personality disorder and histrionic personality disorder. But what really sticks out like a sore thumb was when Dr. Curry mentioned that during the whole interview, Amber was calm and polite, except when her high school friendships were mentioned. Her getting agitated at those questions posed to be very suspicious in light of the fact that she was somehow involved in causing the accident that killed her friend. Moving on, when Amber was giving her testimony in court, she talked about volunteering for charity at the soup houses and the deaf kids' hospitals. That turned out to be quite a lie, since it was leaked that Amber was compelled by the court to carry out charity work as part of her penalty for a police case. It's unclear whether the police case in question is for vehicular manslaughter, driving without a license, or a DUI case that she was arrested for. Playing off mandatory court orders as her being selfless and charitable towards underprivileged people is just horrible and did not sit well with the public at all. A Twitter user said in a frustrated tweet that Amber does nothing that doesn't benefit her. Well, it's not the first time Amber has tried to gain bonus points from the fans by faking charity work. Since we all know she never gave half of the divorce money after settlement with Johnny Depp to the two organizations she promised. Court records also revealed that Amber is one to spill the tea, even if it means bringing serious harm to the other party. During the popular defamation trial that took place in the UK and later in Virginia, Amber was accused of leaking confidential information about her ex-husband to the press. She, of course, denied the allegations. However, later, when court records were unsealed, these accusations turned out to be 100% true. It was finally proven that she was lying about not being a snitch. That might have come as a shock, but brace yourself for the juiciest secret Amber's kept hidden, or at least tried to hide from the public. Unsealed court cases revealed that Amber actually worked as a stripper and a high-end escort in LA before her career in the entertainment industry took off. It is a common belief that she approached tech icon Elon Musk as an escort, only to dump him after a while, remarking that he was just filling space after separating from Johnny Depp. With all these secrets now leaked, it makes sense why Amber wanted to keep them hidden away, since they tarnish her reputation even more, as if it's not already in the gutter. Click on one of these two videos on your screen right now. We'll catch you guys in the next one.